Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A Kino. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop the gun, lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Patrick, how is everything?
Tuesday, I go doctor.
Oh, you got doctor Tuesday?
Yeah, Tuesday gone.
Yeah. Okay.
Have an appointment, I'm going to go doctor.
Yeah.
And then give me them 2 prescriptions, you know.
Them give a prescription?
Yeah, them give me them prescription.
Oh, because they run the test and everything?
Yes, they run the test.
Them give a prescription?
Yes.
Let see what I want them on the prescription.
18,500. 18,500. I want $58.40.
Okay. But let me put the price at the back.
Yeah. For the two of them.
Yes. Oh, 2 of them?
Yeah, 2 of them, yeah.
26.
Yeah. This is the prostrate.
And the prostrate this?
Yeah, this is the prostrate. Yeah.
So the 2 of them come together 18,000. Let me see, 18,558 $40 cents.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So, alright then. So what are we gonna do then? And you cannot find that though?
No. Remember say I go choose I you give my bus here Friday evening.
Yeah.
Remember you give my bus here.
Yeah.
Figure Friday evening.
Yeah.
And I look at the bus here, I spend bus here go and come. I know you did them place there.
Yeah.
You have to buy 1 bucket of water and drink.
Oh,
I made up the left out early cause them say 7 o'clock never reach.
Oh.
So I never get feet nothing.
Never get feet nothing?
No.
So you never try buy something for eat?
Yeah, at the time.
Out of the money?
Out of the money, a pack of biscuit. Pack of biscuit and a water. and say about bus fare to come back.
Yeah, okay.
I remember you.
Yeah, that's true. I mean,
Yeah.
alright then, so what we do now, we ask somebody, if anyone out there, any viewers, you know, any donor who's watching the program, you know, and Patrick assist and getting his medication, you know, because them prescribed this for him, which is $18,558.40.
Yeah.
Everything come up to. Anyone, if anybody out there, may I ask you if you can, please, no matter how small it is, because we know the time is kind of rough now, so no matter how small it is, but we can get something towards it, you know, but for you to get that, you're going to need the funding, and I know it's really tough for you because you don't have no income.
I'm not
and you need support.
I'm not support, I'm not work, I can't. Remember from my kids' strokes, I can't work, you know, I can't. Nobody want me for work.
Yeah, because through strokes.
Strokes, you know?
Yeah.
Through the strokes.
Yeah, man, so anyone's out there, any viewer, any donor, you know, as you hear Patrick's story, hear him cry, and we can see the need, you know, if anyone out there, you know, can contribute something, anyone want to help me contribute towards Patrick, so he can get his medication, if you can just contact me and let me know, so we can give him a helping hand, because we all need to help each other, and he's a man in an age, how old are you know?
63.
63, you know, and as you can see him struggle. So we ask anyone out there if they can contact me, you know, and give, your age?
Age? 63.
Oh yeah, the one is 63.
63.
Yeah, and this is Patrick, so Patrick, we're going to hope and pray, you know, if anyone can come and give us a strength.
Thank you.
Yeah, and
God bless.
You can ask them, see me if anyone, you know.
God bless this somebody who helped me out here.
Yeah.
And what here that's good at the test. And we get to go back and give me black. God bless Kino too, because I didn't give me bus fares Monday evening. That's because I go choose them and hospital and my appointment. And then I give them the test. And then they said I'm giving medication. Yes.
And that's the medication list.
Yes.
Which is, you know, the price is on 18,000 and everything. So we just ask for a kind support for Patrick. You know, we'll try our best. We'll try our best and see what we can do for you, Patrick. You know, if anything can come out. So if anyone, you know, they call me and they're gonna contribute. If it's not enough, see me, I will try and put something on it for you. So you can get that started. Because right now you don't have any medication though.
No, everything finished.
Everything finished.
Every member said whether you may buy the prostrate pill and then 30 days.
30 days.
And 30 come and I pack.
And that 30 days gone already.
Yes.
Yeah.
So much true for get back.
Get back.
And next pack now.
Yeah.
Prostrate and next pack now.
So prostrate on this and more than one. So it's more than one medication on this. 1, 2.
We have antibiotic, painkiller and cholesterol.
Okay.
Cholesterol, and these are the prostrate.
Okay.
This is for the prostrate.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, we're gonna put hands on her together and see if we can come and support you so you can get that sorted, right?
Thank God.
I'm gonna try my best.
Thank God.
Right?
Yeah.
No problem. Let's keep prayers in so it will happen.
And God bless those that help me. God bless them.
Yeah.
God bless them.
Alright then, man. Take care, right?
Yeah.
Until next time. Right?
When I talk, I can just tell you now. You have to see me in action, really.
Of course.
Don't tell no one I can do.
Yeah.
You will see me day by day. But to see me in action is a different thing.
Yeah.
Which is right.
It's natural. Right, viewers? Right down. See, natural in action is all natural.
Naturally, one more piece of board. One more piece. Good. Material.
Material.
Yeah, that's how it goes, you know.
Rasta messy. Yeah man, bless him. Yeah, give thanks. Rasta message just a come off a film work. And I come give you a strength same way. We give thanks same way. Natural just a come off a film work same way. And natural come give you a strength. Lever. Dennis a clean man, Dennis. I want some cement on the shirt there.
Yeah man, so I say this now, the board here, you see catch the wall, the part of wall because the wall has been a little bit too much inside, see?
Yeah.
That's all we're going to do. Yeah. Hold this now. Part 1. We're going to part 2. Alright, so this is going for you. Attack something.
Oh, what else? We have advanced height, Talpi. Height, we are sure. I thought you still need some more height. Not because you're tall. No, I said before, you said never want any. But no we have to go. Alright.
Remember say, you know.
When you come on here, I soap like a man with a beard.
Yeah. Come to soap around here?
Yeah.
Let me tell you, it look like somebody who a beard already, man.
Water into heart, somebody you must come keep a beard, watch that. Go on the bathroom.
Sure.
Oh.
Come say the way it look like somebody coming here and beard.
Yeah.
So they leave them soap.
Leave a soap and show, say I beard them beard. Come hold a wash out.
Yeah. You don't want to see me just stuck in like that. Yeah. I know, but tell boys say you them come have a shower once them no shower is here.
Yeah. I tell you.
So at least you still help out see them so them can have a shower for the time being. I mean. Catch you on the go. I catch you before you go. Always on the go, Sam. Always on the go. Sam. Junior, you've been doing an excellent job. And everyone been saying you've been doing an excellent job. Thanks to Sam, the teacher. Sam, yeah man, everyone been talking about you. You know, we give thanks for what you're doing. Sharing the knowledge and teaching Junior the skills, you know, in the trade, so you know, we can further a future for himself learning something. Right?
I remember saying
the 2 burner?
Yeah.
Okay, see there. And yes, as you talk about the 2 burner, it's almost ready. It's almost ready. Yeah. The tree and them thing there.
The bottom is free, right?
Mm-hmm. So see there. Oh, so it's almost ready. It's not complete yet. Okay, so what are we on the tray?
Yeah, man.
Okay. And you go. So this is where the pot go pan?
Yeah, man. Just first part, the pot pan and fix the fire and put back on.
Yeah.
You know?
Right, pan and go. So you got paint this too?
Yeah, paint.
Oh, you're not painted. 2 burner almost ready, so Sam says this is way upon the tray. Yeah, way upon the tray. Yeah. Yes, no. So basically, you know, Sam, you know, someone calling as well when them see you making the 2 burner, me and Junior making, and them want to put in an order as well. So they want to make sure they know the price, or want to let them know the price over the ear, how much for the 2 burner. And they also want to know about the outside chair. So this is the outside chair one without
This
this is the one, right?
Yeah, I know this one, not spoil it so.
Eh?
This.
Oh, so what you do, you polish it?
Yeah, this polish.
Oh, you polish it. And you just have a little glass look.
Yeah,
so this is how it will be with the polish.
I go buy that tire apply. This no, I buy this.
Okay. Yeah, we buy them type of apply then.
Yeah, man, it's type apply, man.
Yeah, so alright then, so we're gonna start with the pricing them again. Cause you know we have to always remind them about the prices. So first for the 2 burner, for the 2 burner course stove. So 2 burner course stove is 14. Call it 14 or 14.
14.
Okay, so 14,000 for the 2 burner coal stove, and you say 8,000 for the 1 burner coal stove. So you can get 1 burner coal stove for $8,000, you know, from Sam, and you can get the 2 burner coal stove for 14, right? Right, Sam?
Yeah, man.
14. So 14 for the 2 burner, 8,000 for the 1 burner. So there you go. So that at least now that can give them highlight of what's going on from inside. And for the chair now, these are the outside chair, right?
Yeah.
These are the one without cushion, because my one come with cushion. I love my one with the cushion on it. So for this now, the single one, how much for the single one?
10,000.
10,000. 10,000 for just one single one, right? For the outside one. And you have a bigger one there. Is it a garden one as well too? This one there. There's a garden chair as well too. And that one up there. So with that garden chair they put the ply. You use the ply on it.
Yeah,
this one.
Yeah, man.
So it'll be this type of board, right?
Yeah.
I got big on it, no sponge. So how much for the garden chair now? That big one there would be for outside.
Tell him now.
A junior, get up junior. What the price, junior? So it seems like you know we're not sure about the price there, Sam. So you know what you have to do, you have to just check up how much you spend, you know.
Yeah, man.
And you have to make a profit.
Yeah, man.
And see what you can get back from it, right?
Yeah, man. Definitely.
So you have to think about it first and then
Yeah, man.
cause not even junior, if junior know and you know, you have to think about it. Just remember how much you spend on the time where it costs.
Yeah,
And
man.
if you put in all them labor work in it,
Yeah,
right?
man.
And then we can announce the price there. So
Yeah, man. Definitely.
so now we know $14,000
Yeah, man.
for the 2-burner coal stove. And you can also get a 1-burner coal stove for $8,000.
Right.
And support Sam on him journey. You know, so he can continue his expedition. You know, can encourage him to carry on. You know, Sam, how old are you now, Sam?
65.
66.
66.
And you know, them say people retire working from work from what? Age 60, right? And Sam still going strong. So we all can encourage him more for continue going strong, see him if we can. You know, give him a support and purchasing something. You know? If you don't want to purchase for yourself, you can purchase from someone for someone. So at least now we get this out of the way and we get the pricing. You know, 10,000 for the outside single chair. And the one with the sponge, what's the price for that? For the one with the cushion?
Cushion. Tell me 16.
16
Yeah.
for the chair with the cushion, just for one, right?
No.
For two. For two. So 16,000 for the one with the cushion. That's the one that I bought. I mean, I'll tell you Sam, that is excellent. I love it. You know, I love it. So
Maybe some more of that, man.
yeah, man, make some more of that.
Some more of that.
That will run the market red. Make some more, man. Yeah.
Cushion, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. That will run the market red, Sam. But go on, big up yourself, Uncle Sam. Junior.
Thanks, man.
Continue the right thing, right? So people, blessings and give thanks to all viewers. And you know,
Thanks, man.
yeah, man, no problem.
Big up all the donors.
Alright,
No basket, never know.
All right, then come Sam.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better end.